Hi all, I am Elisabetta Raguseo, Associate Professor at Politecnico di Torino of Strategy, Management and Digital Transformation. In the last 2 years, I work on Strada Women in Manufacturing project. It is a project of the IT manufacturing co-financed by the European Commission, successfully executed across 7 European countries: Spain, Italy, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Estonia, Lithuania and Ireland. The program's primary goal is supporting female master and PhD students in engineering, and also women that work in the manufacturing industry. Specifically, it provides women in manufacturing environments with the necessary skills to start and grow their own businesses. It also supports the development of their professional careers in academia or industry, for a management and leadership positions. This leadership program includes master classes provided by all partners with expertise in leadership, digitalization, entrepreneurship and innovation, and business and environmental sustainability. The program includes also mentorship sessions, participation to webinars, hand-on workshops, and additional training activities through the online platform of the EIT Manufacturing. Furthermore, participants to this program gain valuable European networking opportunities, connecting participants with peers who share their passion for innovation. What about its impact? The project had a significant impact in providing a supporting mechanism for women that work in manufacturing, as they are sometimes marginalized and not pushed to pursue a career in such an industry. As such, the societal impact was based on providing an opportunity to support women professional development in this industry, with a final long-term impact on the mindset shift of the new generation women that want to enter the manufacturing industry.